Alright, here we go. Hornady Black doing a water catch at 50 yards. This is 762.39. And we're just going to see what kind of water penetration we got. And what kind of damage we can do. So here we go. This is the first one, jug number 1, hit, demolished. Jug number 2, we have bullet fragments, copper and lead. Third bullet, or third jug, we are in, not so much, just coming out, not blowing the jug apart. Go into the fourth jug. We have the slug intact. It came out of the jacket, and in and no out. And trust me, I've already learned this one. Pieces, this is actually pretty nice. There it goes. There's the pieces, as you can see. Whoopsie. And then more separation, as I said. So there you go, fourth jug. Blew the first two up. Just a hole in the third one. Stopped in the second one, so that means it's dumping its energy. I'm digging around. It did stay together pretty good. So that is Hornady Black. It's pretty. Very pretty.